Once a Rastafarian said, when he see black people, sees an image of God. Seeing different colors, but one people. Having different parties, one country. Meaning through nationality, religion, and color, we should be brothers keeper. In this life, we should measure the weight and the perimeter of each of your friends in our circle. Yes, those good friends you call by sweet names, bestie, dears, sweethearts, and even more. We should measure their weight and the perimeter in our circle. Because the question is, which help do they have, rather than party after party or paying spy to your private life? It's up to you then. In addition, remember, a man from Chungu cha Nasaa once said, ikiwa usumba wenu utaelekea tu upande mmoja, basi ana budi kuelezea kuwa gunia tupu alisimame wima. Special thanks to Zan Pictures. Thank you.